everyone. Welcome back to the Learning Center tutorial. My name is Lloyd Kelvin, the director of the Learning Center. Today, I'm going to show you how to interpret a bar graph. But before we get started, make sure you have a calculator with you. Now, let us get started by looking at this example. The bar graph shows the region in which all passenger cars were produced during a recent year. Use this graph to answer the following questions. Before we attempt to answer any question, let's look at the graph. On this graph, we have the regions where the cars were produced and the productions of cars in millions. In Western Europe, 15 million cars were produced. In Asia, we have 11 million were produced. In Eastern Europe, we had 8 million cars were produced. In North America, 3 million, and in Latin America, 2 million. Now, let's answer the questions. How many passenger cars were produced worldwide? In that case, we will need to add all the production of cars in all regions. So we start with Western Europe, which is 15 million. In Asia, 11 million. In Eastern Europe, 8 million. In North America, 3 million. And in Latin America, 2 million. And if we should add all these numbers up, the total will be 39 million cars produced in the last year. The second question, what is the difference between the number of passenger cars produced in Western Europe and the number produced in North America? So, in Western Europe, what was the production? Western Europe produced 15 million cars. And in North America, 3 million were produced. So the difference is 12 million cars produced in Western Europe compared to North America. And the last one, what percent of the passenger cars were produced in Asia? Now, in Asia, 11 million cars were produced, and the total production was 39 million, and now we multiply that by 100%, since we want to get the percent. After putting this in your calculator, your result should be 28%. Let us revise the problem now. A bar graph shows the region in which all passenger cars were produced during a recent year. Use this graph to answer the following questions. Now we analyze the graph by determining the production of cars in different areas. For example, Latin America had 2 million, North America 3 million, Eastern Europe 8 million, Asia 11 million, and Western Europe 15 million. After analyzing the graph, we go and answer the question. How many passenger cars were produced worldwide? Therefore, we need to add or take the sum of all these numbers, the production, to determine how many cars were produced worldwide. So we add the 15, 11, 8, 3, and 2, which equals to 39 million cars produced that year. Next question was, what is the difference between the number of passenger cars produced in Western Europe and the number produced in North America? So the difference was, in Western Europe, 15 million was produced. In North America, only 3 million was produced. After finding the difference, we had 2 million. And the third, what percent of the passenger cars were produced in Asia? And that was wrong to the nearest percent. So Asia produced 11 million. The total production was 39 million. So it's 11 over 39 times 100%. And after simplifying, we get 28%. Thank you for using the Learning Center tutorial. My name is Lloyd Kelvin. I will see you next time.